Hi, I'm Alex, a librarian in the John M. Flaxman Library. In this video, we'll walk through using keywords in the library search. We'll start on the homepage, saic.edu/library. Scroll down and use the search box to type in your search keywords, then press Go or Enter. Today, I'm interested in doing research on ceramics. If you are off campus, remember to always sign in using your Arctic username and password. You'll find that the total number of your results appears in the upper left corner. The list you're seeing is pulled from both the Flaxman Library Catalog and many of our library databases. That is why the number may be very large if you began with a broad keyword, like ceramics. You can then narrow your results by using filters. You'll find categories of these filters in the left-hand column. You can then expand these categories to see the granular options. For instance, if I expand resource type, I see that I can then narrow to very specific things like articles, books, journals, and more. If you are off campus, you may find it helpful to use the Available Online filter to see things that you can read that day. Remember that you can also add keywords to your search to make a more complex string, which will narrow in a different way. For instance, if I add the word contemporary, I get significantly less results, and that's potentially more helpful to my research topic depending on my scope. We hope this helps you use keywords in the library search, but if you ever need help or have questions, you can always email us at flaxman@saic.edu.